Hello everyone, this is Meena teacher from Maths Misfit. Welcome to my channel. Now today we are going to do another part of profit and loss, which probably will be the last part before we go on to the discount part of it. So today whatever I am going to do are one type of problems. They are generally the ones which are asked in the exams also, regarding the shopkeepers who cheat you with their weights. Okay, so our first problem today is like this. A shopkeeper uses 900 grams instead of 1 kg. Now what is the meaning of this? 1 kg, as you all know, is 100,000 grams. Okay, so if you look at your question, instead of giving you 1000 grams, what he gives you is only 900 grams. That means basically he's cheating you of 100 grams. He's cheating you, but he is making a profit in that. So let us assume that he's supposed to give you something which is worth 1000 rupees. But he's giving you something which is only worth 900 rupees. Okay? So how much is the profit that he's making? He is making a profit of 100 grams. The profit that he makes would be on 900 grams, not on 1000 grams. Remember this. So how much is his profit percent? The profit what he makes upon what he is giving you or what you are receiving into 100, because we are converting it to a percent. So basically 100 upon 9, which is 1 upon 9%. So look at your options. The correct option is the B one. The B option gives you 11, 1 upon 9%. Now remember, supposing, just let us assume that he cheats you and gives you only 800 grams. Alright? What he's giving you, I'm taking a little bit of a different type here, say. He gives you only 800 grams. So how much is his profit? His profit is going to be 200, but profit percent you will calculate on not 1000 but on 800, because that is what you are getting and that is what he is giving you. So then in that case you would be making a profit of 25%. Okay? So in sums of this type, which we are going to do today, a variety of about five odd sums, where different conditions will be given. How he wants to make a profit, and then he cheats you, he'll mark up the prices, gives you a discount. So there are a variety of sums which are going to come after this. But remember, it is always what you receive and it is always what he gives. The profit will always be calculated on that amount. Is that clear? Okay, we take the next sum now. We have our next sum here. Again, now it is related to the trader or the shopkeeper. A shopkeeper sells his goods at 10% profit and he weighs 20% less. Find his profit percent. Okay, so now let us see what happens here. Say he has got 1000 grams and then the shopkeeper, if you look at your sum, intends to sell at 10% profit, means he is going to give you 10% profit. He wants a 10% profit. So you assume that he has got something which is 1000 rupees. He wants a profit of 10%, that means he intends to sell it at 1100 rupees, but he weighs how much less? He weighs 20% less. That means on this he is going to give you 20% less. That means he is going to give you 200 grams less. So what he finally gives you is only 800 grams. Alright? Now he wants a profit, that means he is expecting this much, but he is giving you only 800. Alright? He is going to charge you for 1100 and he is giving you only something which is worth 800 rupees. So now how much is his profit here? Profit is not going to be on 1000, but it is going to be on 1100. So his profit will be 300. Alright? Now this 300 will be a profit percent on what? As I told you in the last sum, it is what you receive or what he gives you. And mind you, what he is giving you now is only 800 grams. So his profit percent will be calculated on 800 grams or 800 rupees as we have seen. So this will be basically 75 upon 2, which is 37.5%. You can see in your options, in the 4 options, the profit which is there of 37.5 is in the C1. Alright? Just have a look at this again. We did a sum earlier which was very easy. Now a little bit of a difficult one where he wants a 10% profit. So he wants 1100 rupees say. And he's giving you 20% less. Now 20% less on this would be 200 grams. That means he's giving you only 800 grams. So how much is he cheating you of? 300. And his profit percent you can calculate. Now again remember, profit percent is on 800, not on 1000 or not on 1100. Alright? Go on to the next sum. Alright, our next sum is here. A shopkeeper gives a discount of 20% to his customers. Okay? So, giving a discount of 20%, fine, customer is happy. But what he does is, he weighs or he cheats with 30%. So now what happens is, he makes a profit. So let us see what is the profit percent. Anything which is worth 1000 rupees, he gives you a 20% discount. So you will get something which is worth 800 rupees. But while weighing something or while calculating, he cheats you of 30%. So 30% of this is going to be 300. So finally he gives you only 700. Now remember what we did in our previous sums. How to find the profit percent here. Now the profit percent, first he makes a profit. He gives you only 800. He gives you only 700. So he makes a profit of 100 rupees. But on what is he making a profit? 800, 700 or 1000? Obviously what he is giving you. So profit percent would be 100 upon whatever he is giving you or the CP into 100. So that is 100 upon 7, 14.2 upon 7%. Now in your options you can see there is only one answer which is marked as 14, the B answer. So the B is the correct one. It may have been given to you in decimals which you can convert. So 14.28 probably. Okay. So look at your options. The one which is the B, 14.28. You are given in a decimal, so mark the decimal. If you are given in a fraction, that's fine. Okay. So here what is happening, unlike the other two problems, you are happy because he is giving you a discount of 20%, But he's a smart guy. What does he do? He weighs less. So finally he's cheating you. You are happy because you're supposed to get 20% discount. But then he's happy because he's already cheating you. And how much is his percentage? Profit percent is 14%. Okay? 3 different types we have done. Now we'll go ahead with the little bit more complicated in this case. These type of sums. Alright? Let's go on to the next one. Okay. Now our next problem here. Slightly different again. A shopkeeper marks his goods at 40% profit. Okay? Above the CP, that is. And gives a 25% discount on it. But weighs 20% less. Okay? So now let's see what happens is. Say he has to give something of 1000 grams. But 40% more. He marks the price 40% more than this. Now what is your 40% more? That is 400. So this is what he marks the price at. This was the CP. He marks the price 40% more. Now on this 40%, he gives a 25% discount. So let's calculate this 25% discount here. Uh, 15, 25 fours are 100, 25, 30. So he gives a discount of 350. That means how much is he going to? So he intends selling or he sells it for that much. Alright? But now what he does is he weighs 20% less. Now when he weighs 20% less, the 20% less will be weighed over here. That means 200 less. Okay? So now what he does, on the 1000 rupees, he marks the price at 40% more. So he gets 1400 and then he gives you a discount. He gives you a discount of 25%, that is 350 rupees less. So finally you land up paying 1050. But what he does is, he cheats you here also and he gives you 800 only. Something which is worth only 800. So now find his profit or loss percent. You all know how to find the profit. Will be, now how much is this? This is 250. Now this profit, as I told you in the previous, is what you're getting on, what he's giving you. So the profit percent would be on 800 rupees. Okay, now calculate this. So 2 4s are 125 upon 4. So 4 3s are 31.2%. Okay, so your A option is the correct option. From your answers, you can check from here which is your correct option. Understand the sum once again. This is your CP. He marks it at 40% above. So 400 rupees more. So his marked price is 1400. On the 1400, he gives you a 25% discount. So 350 rupees less. That means he's going to sell you at 1050. But what he does is, he cheats you of 20% here. That means instead of 1000, he'll give you only for 800. Now compare these two. So he's making a profit of 1050 minus 800, that is 250, and the profit would be on this amount 800 because this is what you are getting. Alright? So now this was a little bit of a different with two conditions added, a marked price added, three conditions in fact, a marked price added, a discount added, and also the cheating factor involved. Alright? So we go on to the next sum. Alright, our next sum here. A dishonest shopkeeper steals 20% while buying. Now this is buying and selling both. And 40% while selling. That means when he's buying, he's stealing something, and when he's selling, he's giving you less. He also gives you a 10% discount. Find his profit percent. Okay? So now let's see what he does. Now when he steals, so he's going to steal 20%. That means he's going to take 20% more. So he'll buy so much. Okay? So he has got 1200 because while buying 1000 grams, he's stealing to 20%, that means 200 more. Now he gives you a 40% less. That means he's cheating you of 40%. That means 400 less. Alright? So this is what he's going to give you, or he's supposed to. He also gives you a 10% discount. Now the 10% discount will be on this. So 10% discount means this much less. Okay? Have a look at this. He steals 20%, means he has so much. On this he gives you a discount. He tells you that he's going to give you a 10% discount. So he's supposed to give you this much, 1080, but he steals for 40%. That means he's giving you only 600 grams, whereas he's supposed to give you 1080. So now see what is his profit. $480. Understand the sum again. While buying, he steals. So he's going to take extra 20%, and on this he gives you a 10% discount. So he's supposed to give you 1080, but he does the cheating part and he gives you 40% less. So he's giving you only 600 grams or something which is worth 600. So now what is his profit percent? Profit upon what he's giving you. So he's giving you only 600 into 100. A huge profit he makes of 80%. Look at your options which are given to you there and see which is the correct answer. The C option is the correct one. They've given you different percentages as profits, 40, 50, whatever it is, and your 80% answer is C. Have a look at the sum again and try to understand what is he doing. Buying, he's stealing. While selling, he's cheating you. But to convince you and to make you happy, he says, I'll give you a 10% discount. Whereas actually he's cheating you of 40%. Okay? So now again there were three conditions here. In the earlier one we had something which he has marked the price. Now here he steals while buying. He cheats you while giving. And to make you happy, he gives a 10% discount also. Alright. The last sum for today. A shopkeeper steals 20% while selling and sells at 20% profit. Now see the wordings. We have done a similar sum earlier, but that was very straightforwardly worded. This is a little different now. A shopkeeper steals 20% while selling. So, let's say if it is 100 grams, he steals while selling. That means he's going to give you 800 grams only. And he makes a 20% profit. So he'll make a 20% profit here. And this he steals you of 20%. Alright? Now see what has happened here. The wordings is what is important. He steals you of 20% and then he makes a profit of 20%. So for the 1000 grams, he'll make a profit of 200 grams, so it becomes 1200. But he's stealing you of 20%, that means 800 grams. Okay, so now how much is his profit here? And this profit is on what? 800 or 1200 or 1000? What is the profit on? Obviously what you get. So you are getting only 800. So he is making a 50% profit overall. So your option, you look at your option A is the correct one. 50% is what is his profit. Okay. A similar sum we had done earlier, but which was differently worded. This is again differently worded, only two conditions given here. One is the stealing part and one is the profit that he intends. There is no marked price here, there is no what you call as extra discount or anything given. Okay? It is just the stealing and the profit made, but slightly differently worded. Okay? So we'll stop here today. In this part of the video, I have taken all the problems which are related to a trader cheating us. Not that all traders are cheaters, but most of them are. So, how different conditions lead them to different types of profits. Alright? Now, if you have liked my video, do share this and don't forget to press the like icon, subscribe for my channel and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Okay? My next two videos will be based on a continuation of profit and loss, but there it will be exclusively the discount part also. In my earlier videos, I have not taken any of the discount parts. So those next two videos will be only on profit, loss and including the discount part. Thank you. Have a good day and do take care of yourself. Bye. See you.